This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials. Confirm perigee altitude and local atmospheric density so you know how much drag to expect. Once done, verify attitude control and any deployable surfaces are operational because orientation creates the drag vector. Make sure to compute the target delta V equivalent from predicted drag and schedule the first burn or surface deployment at the upcoming perigee. This gets you immediate, measurable change. It's the actionable first step that initiates controlled orbital decay. Once deployed, you run incremental adjustments. Extend surfaces in stages to avoid sudden torque and monitor the ballistic coefficient in real time. As you continue, use small reaction wheel or thruster corrections to hold the desired angle of attack, because slight yaw or roll changes dramatically alter drag. Make sure to log altitude loss, temperature, and attitude deviations each pass so you can update your predictive model. Gradual refinement cuts risk and keeps the decay trajectory within plan limits. You finish by timing termination. Retract surfaces or perform a controlled deorbit burn when you reach the safe re-entry window or target altitude. Once the final adjustments are set, confirm telemetry and command redundancy to avoid last-minute failures. If you encounter unexpected heating, rapid altitude loss, or persistent attitude drift, switch to backup control mode immediately and stabilize before proceeding. That single troubleshooting step prevents loss of vehicle control. Then, execute the planned end-of-mission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.